Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer internet service with Spectrum, detailed guide step by step clear. Begin by accessing the Spectrum website or opening the Spectrum app. Log into your account using your username and password. Locate the account section on the home page. Click on the Transfer Internet Service option. Review the eligibility requirements for transferring your service. Follow the prompts to enter your new address. Confirm that the service is available at your new location. Select your desired transfer date and time. Review your current plan details to ensure they fit your needs at the new address. If necessary, update any billing information related to your account. Agree to any terms and conditions presented. Submit your transfer request. You will receive a confirmation email detailing your transfer request. If you need assistance, contact Spectrum customer service directly. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your service transfer. On the transfer date, ensure all equipment is ready for the installation. Follow the instructions provided for setting up your service at the new address. Enjoy your internet service at your new location. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.